Morning everybody, my name's Howard Dracup. I'm a montane athlete. I'm going to take you on a sunrise adventure to the top of Blencathra. On my way up there now. I started off in Scales and I am going to go up to the summit via Sharp Edge. So we've just left the car, a couple of minutes in. Sky's turning a nice colour, should be a good morning. Because we're near the bottom, there's quite a few like flattish sections, so just to keep my body temperature nice and warm. It is 5 o'clock in the morning, slightly chilly, but I don't feel like I need to put another layer on. So I just switch between fast walking and running. This section's a little bit more runnable, so I've just moved it up a little bit from a walk to a run. So we've just got to Scales Tarn. A little bit windier up here. It's not well windy, but nice gentle breeze. And that's where we're going next. Sharp Edge, up to the top, and here's Scales Tarn. Very windy, the sun's out, nobody here. What more could you wish for? I'd always try to keep 3 points of contact if you can, so that's 1, 2, always being 2 feet, third hand when possible. If you're like me with the GoPro in your hand, it's quite hard to make 4 points of contact, but yeah, I don't advise everybody to come and film it on the GoPro. And that is the end of Sharp Edge. Whoo! Oh, what an awesome day. Just going to run over to the summit now. Hopefully the cloud will disappear. And then, yeah, I'll have a little bit of breakfast, I think. So here is the summit of Blencathra. Sun's still out. Got some clouds knocking around. We've got Skidder over there just in the clouds. Over here we've got Clough Head directly in front, and then you've got the Dodds. And you can just see Helvellyn in the distance. So that's the Helvellyn range over there. Derwentwater. And yeah, here we've got Hall's Fell Ridge. Let's get some breakfast. So before I eat, I'm going to make sure that I'm warm enough. So I'm going to take my pack off. So here we have the Trailblazer 18. As it says in the name, 18 litres. It's got a huge pack on the back. There we go. It's got a big dry sack in. This one is, it's an 8 litre one, Ultra-Sil, Sea to Summit. Just take my buff off because it's dripping sweat everywhere. I get really hot. So yeah, first thing in my bag is I've got another base layer. It's a long sleeve Montane Sabre base layer. Nice, light, highly wicking, so when you sweat it draws the moisture off your skin and dries you out quicker. I've also got a fleece, and I'd be absolutely fine with just this on, to be honest. Seeing as though I've got other layers, I might as well show you what I brought with me. I've also brought with me the Montane Podium lightweight waterproof pants. I'm not going to put them on because I really don't need to. But what I am going to put on is the Pack Plus XT waterproof Gore-Tex jacket. It's an absolute belter. It's extremely lightweight, it's extremely packable, highly windproof, highly waterproof. It's made from recycled Gore-Tex. Awesome jacket. I mean, the sun's shining, but up here it soon gets cold pretty fast, and if you've been working quite hard like I have been, scrambling up the ridge, you do start to cool down quite fast when you stop. So that's why I'm putting this on now. A couple of other bits I've got in here: first aid kit, map, survival bag, some gloves, a hat. I might put this on now just because my buff is quite wet, but once I get moving I will put my buff back on again. Oh, and the compass, don't forget to bring a compass if you're going to bring a map. I've also got a head torch in my bag, and because it's summertime and the sun is out, on my legs I've got the Montane Dragon shorts. Really good, just a nice length, really light, fast drying, comfy material. So I'm just going to get a little bit of breakfast now.